Hi friends, it's Becky.
And Jenny.
And we are opening up our day 8 Jesse James Beads advent calendars for 2025. We have been opening them, taking turns. Jenny chose the odd numbers, I chose the even numbers, but Jenny's here visiting me today, so we're gonna open our day 8 together, and then tomorrow we'll open our day 9 together, and we just think that that is going to be a fun thing to do together. So Jenny, you ready?
Why not both, right?
Why not both? Exactly. Let's get this opened. If you want to see some of the other things that happened in the previous days, we do have a playlist that we are adding all of this to, so go ahead and jump on over to that if you want to see what else has already come in this advent calendar. It is a beading advent calendar, and we've been really lucky to get some beads, some findings, some bead mixes. I've been inspired a couple of times to make some things when we do it. We might not make with this, but we are going to take a look at it.
Are you ready?
So are we ready? Let me get hold of it.
I've got
it
hold
feels
of it.
like a bead mix to me.
It does feel like bead mix. Are we ready?
Yes. Oh.
Look at that cage bead. Look how big those are.
Sparkle. Jenny, maybe we should make something.
Maybe we
with
should
this.
make something.
Oh, this is so pretty.
It will be very difficult for us to make both of them on camera right
That's
here.
right.
But maybe we'll make something and be right back with, hey, check this out, because let's get into this.
Right? Yeah.
I managed to peel mine off. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't.
There's usually, in order to keep it from opening during shipping, there's usually tape on some of these things for bead mixes to keep the beads safe. But oh my goodness, friends, look at this giant focal. Look at the sparkle on that, my friends. Jenny, bring yours up and let's side by side. Sister Ooh. Sparkle. Yeah. We love this. That is so much sparkle.
So super icy.
Love it. Let's pull out our cage beads. Get some of the beads that like to hang out inside of it. Oh, jingle bell charms. I love that. So our cage beads have some sparkly crystal beads in the middle.
Yeah. Very pointy, guys.
Yep. Like Rivoli shape.
Yeah.
Let's keep it separated.
We are.
That's
you gotta
fine.
Have your fat pearls.
Your big guys on camera. I got some too.
I don't think the ladybug dish is gonna help with all of these light crystal colors.
No, I don't think it is either. But that's okay, because you know what? We have this guy.
Oh, we do. Oh, yes. Okay, let's just both get our little bags out and we can set our collections on our... Yes.
There we go. That's going to show up a lot better on camera with the background.
Love that.
It'll also help keep them from rolling around too much. All right, I'm going to spread this out over here.
I don't even know what to... I mean, look at these drops. So we've got these drops.
Chaos Queen. Here we go.
Oh, there's some smaller cages too.
We've got some sparkly drops. Where's our little baby cages?
There's 2 little cages.
That way we could have. No, I know what I want to do with these. Put these together somehow with like a jump ring or something for earrings.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Because they're really lightweight. Because this is just a frame.
They are. You could stack them on top of each other like that. Speaking of frames, we've got a couple of metal frames. Wavy guys.
Yeah.
And it looks like the holes go through the short end of the oval on this.
Yeah.
With all that stuff in the background, let's bring that up there. Oh. And do you know what is attached to this jingle bell is a lobster clasp. How fun is that? Jingle
It's
bells.
a good thing we're not going to make on camera.
Yeah.
Because we do actually need to test these metals. We've got some bead caps and some fun.
Yep, these
tree charms
might have nickel in them. We'll have to test. These tree charms are super cute.
When I first saw a tree charm, a little crystal was stuck behind it, and I thought it was like a Christmas tree cage. Which, if you're listening, Jesse James Bead, maybe work on that.
Maybe ideas for next time.
Christmas tree cage.
Yes. Oh my gosh. So we'll sort these, and then maybe we'll make some stuff and come back. Or maybe we will make some stuff. I think it would be fun to have like a little making thing where we pull out all of the things that came in our Jesse James beads. advent calendar and make stuff together
Yes.
with them. I think that would be a fun thing to do. Oh, this one's a little bit crushed.
So the question is, do we wait for it or do we put something at the end of this video? You want to wait?
Let's see. Let's wait, and we'll save this for a little making party.
Yeah.
With some of these, we've got some bead caps like this. This is fun.
we're just sorting. You see, we're both approaching this different ways too.
Exactly.
We're sisters, not twins.
We are, well, exactly. We've got some little metal beads there. They're kind of wavy ovals as well. Mm-hmm. Let's get these discos.
Got some faceted rice ones too.
Ooh, yeah. Hold on, I gotta bring these guys up.
I was just getting my discos.
There you go. This way the camera can focus instead of being distracted by everything over there. Yeah. That's the main reason to put them on the plate and bring it close. But yeah, we've got some faceted rice beads. Like that. This is so fun, so festive. I love it. I love getting bead mixes from Jesse James Beads. They always do such a fantastic job of putting together like a wide variety of beads that they can go together in so many different ways. You know, like no two people that get these bead mixes would probably come up with the same design. Maybe similar, but not the same. These little faceted disc beads are so pretty.
They are really pretty.
And then we've got some bicones. There we go. And some other pearls. These ones are about like 12 millimeter and these ones are about 8 millimeter.
We have 3 different sizes of pearls. Actually, there's a couple of 6s as well.
Is there?
Yep, these 2 are smaller than my others. So we've got...
And you can hear them landing on here. These are glass pearls. They are not acrylic pearls. You're right. There's 2 smaller 6 millimeters and 4 8 millimeter pearls. How fun is that? All right, I am almost done. Snowmen! Oh my gosh, Jenny, you are so right. Snowmen. You are so right. Little snowmens. Yes. Little snowmens. Oh my goodness. What? That was such a great idea. That is such a great idea for that.
3 different sizes.
Right, and then you could have a little hat. Yeah, with these disc beads right there for the brim of a hat, and then one of these.
And then one of these is a band on the hat.
Yeah. Yes. All right, and because we've got some of these little rhinestone spacers as well. There's a couple of plain spacers. There's only 2 of those. We've got some teeny tiny bicones, and then we've got these rondelles as well. So let's bring these up a little bit closer. So
and those rondelles are a little bit kind of a milky.
Exactly.
Clear.
So these are crystal rondelle shape, and these are rhinestone rondelle spacers. And then we've got some plain discs and very small bicones. Those are about 4 millimeters in size. Oh my gosh.
I like that this bead mix has a very obvious focal as well as some secondary focals.
Yes.
That's really fun.
There's a lot of stuff. You could make like one jewelry set with it, or you could make like a couple of different ones depending on what else you add to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, especially if you incorporate some things in from the other things, like the bead mix that you got the other day.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. I think my favorite is definitely our big sparkly guy. That is my favorite thing that came in this. But I love so many of these others. It's very festive, very snowy. I'm excited to make something with these. I immediately know what I want to make with these. It'll be so great like this. You can make at least 10 pairs of earrings with just what's in here.
You could just go earrings.
Just earrings, but then, you know, you'd still have this to use somewhere else for something else. But I think that snowman is such a great idea, Jenny.
You love that?
I love that idea. Yeah, this is also glass, not acrylic.
So they would be maybe a little bit heavy for earrings once you put everything
They
together.
might be, but you know what?
You can play with
They
it.
would still be fun. I would still wear them. Or you could do a little snowman and have it be an ornament on your tree.
You could.
You could absolutely do that. That's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, we've got some little charms that would be great for earrings. We've got our little sleigh bell and all of that stuff. This was such a
And the
great...
little baby bells.
This is such a great day 8.
I like day 8.
I like day 8 too.
Day 8 might be one of my favorites.
Yeah, 8's my favorite colors, or my favorite number. It is.
Well, my favorite number is 13, and there's only 12 of them.
Well, that's not our fault.
That's not our fault.
But yeah, so we are going to be opening up day 9 together as well. So thanks for joining us on this little journey. If you are also getting the JGB Advent Calendar, let us know what you thought about day 8, if you wanted to create with that. And I think we are going to save this for having a little making party.
I think so.
Where we pick some stuff from the Advent Calendar, we just make with it.
Because we have other plans for this weekend.
We do have other plans for this weekend. We've got movies to see and cheese to eat. So, but oh, my friends, check out Jesse James Beads. We'll put a link in the description. There's also the playlist if you want to see what else came on here. And we're hoping you guys are having a really merry weekend, having some fun festive times, and not stressing out too much about the whole holiday coming up. But until next time, happy beading.
And don't forget to play.